What it is, man? It's your boy Nato Nation, but today we got a different type of video. Today we gonna do a little bit of experimenting. This company right here is called Dragon Breath. I don't know if you know about it, but if you don't, basically you put a paste in your exhaust and it changed the color of the flames that come out. Kind of fire, I can't lie. No pun intended. But yeah, basically, bro, I noticed that they don't have no purple changer. Like, they only got like green, red, and blue, and yellow. And the car is purple, you know. Don't none of them colors really go well with it, except for like probably the blue and the green. But I'm kind of trying to match the flames myself, you know, since they ain't got it. Might as well make my own. All right, so basically we got potassium chloride and we got cream of tartar. I don't know what that is, but it burned purple, right? So we're gonna test it out. Somehow Nato Nation done turned into a scientist. But yeah, let's go ahead and do it. All right, bro, so as you can tell, bro, we had to step back a little bit, get inside some shade, because you know it's flames. You can't see flames during the day. Therefore, we're in the shade. Oh, by the way, I gotta give out warnings now because I just got copy strike from YouTube by promoting dangerous activities just because somebody was doing donuts. So, you know, gotta put out a warning. Do not try this at home. This is done by trained professionals. I am the trained professional. And yeah, bro, let's get into it. But yeah, basically, I did my research on Google. They said this right here burns purple, and they said potassium chloride burn purple. So, I don't know if we're finna test it out. If I can make my own paste, then hey, I might start selling this shit. But anyway, squirt a little bit right there. That's hand sanitizer, by the way. Straight hand sanitizer. Just want to see the color, just in case there is a difference. But that shit ain't even light. What the fuck? Baby ass, water ass. Hold on. It is lit. Damn, this is invisible. All right, well, what do I do now? What the fuck? This shit hot. All right. Damn, this might change the color. I really don't know. Let's test it out. I think it just put it out. All right, take two. Gonna squirt one time. Boom, done. Now let's see what color this is. Okay, so there's like a baby ass, I don't know, yellow. Now we're gonna put this one out. Spread a little bit of this. We're gonna use cream of tartar. Let's see what that do. From my point of view, that shit is purple. Let me see if I can get it closer. It's not purple enough. It's purple, but it ain't purple enough. Let's see if we can add some more and see what that do. All right, I can't lie to you, bro. I had to switch cameras because that shit just was not picking it up right. So take three. Gotta put a hand sanitizer. Go crazy with that. We're gonna use potassium chloride. Boy, I sound like a scientist. Sprinkle a little bit of that all over the place. Now, by itself, it isn't flammable, but with the hand sanitizer, it should be. Now, I did have to take the camera inside, but as you can tell, that is purple. Bro, that is purple. Yeah, let's try to recreate that real quick. Now, it look like when I mix it all together, it turns purple, and it's still on fire right now, so I'm not gonna get too close to it. But I think this right here burns way more purple than this right here, potassium chloride. Now, it seems to work best. I would say this right here, this powder right here. Now, we're gonna go ahead and mix it up with the hand sanitizer to make it flammable, you know. I'd say that's about good enough. I'm gonna mix this up until like a powder almost.
Hey, it's Kay, and I made crystal
Backyard experiments. Now I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of this in there too. Might as well. Almost like a sugar. Alright, now let's see. Alright, I don't know what I did, but somehow it turned purple and red. I think that's a good combination right there. Let's go ahead and put this in our exhaust. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I can't believe I actually made purple flame. I had to clean this damn garage, bro. This shit is, yeah. The good thing is, bro, this ain't no weak ass purple. Like, this is actually like a purple red. I kind of fuck with it. Alright, so the potassium did not really want to light like that, but the cream of tartar, don't know what it is, but it burnt purple. So we're gonna try to mix this with the hand sanitizer, and hopefully we can get like some kind of cool like little paste that I can rub on the inside of the exhaust. And if it catch on fire and don't come out, got water for that. Spray it down and it'll go out. But yeah, we're gonna try this out and see what it do. I'm gonna add a tad bit of potassium. I feel like if it get hot enough, it'll burn purple. Just a little bit though, not too much. Not gonna go crazy with it, but we will go crazy with this right here. I can't lie to you, bro. This is like the same consistency that the Dragon Breath had. Bro, this shit look like toothpaste. I can't lie to you. All right, let's go ahead and test it out. Yeah, that's purple. That is purple. And I think if I rev my engine, I think it'll blow it out and it don't stay on fire, which is what I need. I don't need it to stay on fire. Perfect. All right, buddy, so I'm currently letting the car idle down. It's been sitting here since yesterday, and yeah, I still got the paste right here, so we're gonna dump this in and see if it makes a difference. If not, I'm still uploading the video, and if it does, well, shit, I got content to post. All right, so basically we got it in there, and it's white now. It should work just like the Dragon Breath, but just in case, we got 3 water bottles. Just in case. So let me go ahead and put the phone up and just watch. Alright, so I cannot show my face right now because it's dark and the quality will not be good, but bro, I was not expecting it to work. He wasn't expecting it to work.
Was not.
And somehow we out here making purple flames. I'm the only one, the first one to make purple flames. And bro, this shit finna go crazy. Oh, what, I don't even. And on top of that, it's hand sanitizer, so the whole atmosphere right now smell like
Jergens lotion.
yeah, it smell good. It ain't no strong alcohol. Like nah, this shit smell like a good ass fragrance. So now my car smell like flowers and shit. and blowing purple flames. Yo, bro, how? Oh my goodness. You know what? I'm gonna just end the video here.